Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jianing, the president of Huobi University. Today, I would like to share 5 major trends in the area of Industrial Blockchain 2.0. Before start, please allow me to introduce Huobi University briefly. Huobi University is an educational institution focusing on training of blockchain tenants with promoting the application of blockchain and other advanced technologies and facilitating in-depth integration of digital and real economy as its mission. We like to bring more professional people in the blockchain field. The headquarters of Huobi University is in Hainan Free Trade Port Blockchain Project Zone in China. To start with, I would like to ask you a question. I believe most of the audience here have been investing in digital industry for a long time. So, what is the best digital asset to invest in? You may say Bitcoin, because the annual return of Bitcoin has reached more than 300% last year. You may say Ethereum, because you see the price keep going up in the past few months. When you see the price of Bitcoin goes up to $42,000, you think it's a good asset, so you invest in. But next day the price dropped to 32,000, you start questioning yourself. In fact, when we invest in digital industry, the price should be the last thing we consider. What we should see is after COVID-19 epidemic, many countries use quantitative easing to further stimulating the economy, would make the Bitcoin become digital gold. And the consensus of Bitcoin is stronger than before. We have also seen large number of investment institutions invest in Bitcoin in secondary market through Grayscale. So, the first thing I'd like to share today is let's jump out the price and understand the digital asset investment in the long term. We believe a good digital asset should follow 3 principles. Go through economic circles with character of security, has more application scenarios in the future. The digital asset that meet these principles are hidden in the future trends. Now, let's start today's topic, the 5 major trends of the Industrial Blockchain 2.0 era in 2021. You can see the rapid development of the whole world. The future is not expanding evaluation, it's now experiencing explosions. The Industrial Blockchain 2.0 era is coming very soon. Blockchain technology has already applied in 24 industrial scenarios in China. And as we see, blockchain plus finance has already become a whole system, not only on the public chain field, but also on the alliance chain field. So, what is Industrial Blockchain 2.0? Industrial Blockchain 2.0 is new characters that integrate industry tokenize, asset tokenize, data tokenize, technology integrate, and CBDC application. The first trend of blockchain technology becomes the main battlefield of innovation. In the future, all the industrials need to restart by using blockchain technology, as I believe. I believe most of us have heard NFT in the last year. October 7th, 2020, Critics Auction House has sold a digital project of blockchain. That is Block 21 of projects of mine for over 130,000. It was the first time that non-fungible token has auctioned at major auction house. The next example is in January 2020, Union of European Football Association using a blockchain-based ticketing system to distribute more than 2 million digital tickets, that is NFT tickets. You may say, is there any difference between NFT tickets and normal digital tickets? Let me show you a difference. Booking.com is the official accommodation partner of UEFA. It had locked a large number of hotels for the European Cup. According to UEFA requirements, this hotel can only provide it to the guest who has European Cup tickets. But with current technology, it's difficult for Booking.com to verify who has the tickets. There is a centralized solution to this problem, but it requires all participants access to a closed system management by UEFA, including each ticket holder, ticket agency, and runners. It is unrealistic. They won't like to get integrated into this system. Even if they integrate it, they will create a lot of frictions. But NFT can solve this problem. The NFT tickets provides verifiable information, so the runner like Booking.com does not need to connect to UEFA ticketing system to verify the user's tickets and identity. What they need to do is adding a new piece of code to their system to verify the NFT ticket. NFT has been used in many fields like market, VR, DeFi, governance, collections, game, domain, and so on. At present, blockchain has formed a complete digital market. After transform data to asset, there's no more effective market than the blockchain to transfer and pricing the asset. The NFT scenarios has opened up other new and unique way of carrying value for on-chain digital asset. Although there are still some problems in current NFT market, we can study the future application process in the commercial field by using core value behind it. The second trend is eCNY, that is the Chinese CBDC, will bring brand new opportunities to start new smart business transformation. The COVID-19 epidemic accelerated the development of CBDC. Many governments issued inclusive cash subsidies to people. In process of distributing subsidies, many countries realized using cash or check is a kind of low efficiency and with the low cost and high risk. But most countries do not have an electronic payment system commonly used in the society, which also increase demand for digital currency. In the long term, CBDC can also help central bank better management social credit and formulate rules for currency circulation. It will become a key driving force for digital transformation of industry. Let's take eCNY, Chinese CBDC, as an example. Shenzhen government launched a large-scale test of eCNY, which also called DCEP, on October 9th last year. It has the first pilot facing the public. Suzhou launched other eCNY tests on December 12th, which was Chinese online shopping festival. Suzhou pilot has expanded test scale and industry. For example, this time I knew some online payment scenario and use double offline payment function. The traditional mobile payment like Alipay, WeChat Pay only can use in the C2B and C2C scenarios. But eCNY or DCP can carry out C2C, C2B, B2C, and B2B all size scenarios. Besides, eCNY has already combined with blockchain technology. ICBC, which is Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, use eCNY to charitable donations and upgrade donation information on blockchain to make sure the donations are real and traceable, which means the eCNY rich development is processing rapidly and stably. eCNY cross-border payment has also entered testing phase. BOC, which means Bank of China, Hong Kong, has designated by the central bank to participate the technology test as the representative of Hong Kong banks. Some merchants and about 200 bank employees are invited to participate in the test. According to the roadmap, eCNY will continue more tests in the next year in a lot of area and expand more test scenarios. In 2022 Winter Olympics, it will start internal closed plotted to verify the reliability and the system stability. We can see from the current policy of the payment function of eCNY has been rapidly complete. It can support both online and offline payments, and even can finish transaction without internet. But the real meaning of eCNY is more than that. In the future, the usage of eCNY will extend it to more retail scenarios, and it also embraces the challenge from advanced technologies. eCNY is a kind of currency that facing the future. Digital area is the future. Every asset, including personal ID, will be digitalized. The popular implementation of ECNY will accelerate the process of identity digitalization and asset digitalization, which will further extend the field of digital economy. ECNY will grant new business opportunities and empower for new smart business transformation in the future. In ECNY era, enterprise operations and management will make fully changes. New smart business era has come. The third trend is technology integration change social formation. I like to take ECNY as an example. ECNY has a function of programmability. In 5G era, driverless cars, Internet of Things, industrial Internet will be widely used, and the demand for transaction among things will continue to increase. But the current currency and the financial system cannot meet these future needs. In this situation, CNY must upgrade to meet this potential demand for trade and finance. With the function of programmability, ECNY is not only used for human, but also used for things. In the future, the relation for human and machine will be redefined. The fourth trend is asset tokenized become the trends of the times. In the future, when cutting-edge technology such as blockchain, where they use value flow, information flow, and physical flow will be deeply integrated, which means everything in the physical world in the future under mapping of blockchain and other technology will have a digital twin, which is the deep integration of physical flow and information flow. After the asset on-chain, it will realize account is money, money is account, which is the integration of value flow and capital flow, and finally realize three flows in one of physical logics, information flow, and value flow. And then realize financial service entirety functional change in economy method. The fifth trend is blockchain will protect internet privacy. Privacy in computing makes data utilization and privacy protection equal importance. Blockchain will be the key to ensure security and privacy in the Internet of Things and Big Data era. Blockchain plus privacy computing makes data available to use but not available to see. To enhance the protection of data privacy and trust, improve data liquidity, and then creating internet privacy. These technologies are becoming a social Reddit demand in the area of big data. and will further realize the credible interconnection between machine, workshop, enterprise, and human in the future. I'd like to conclude my presentation. If you use WeChat, please scan the QR code on the screen to contact with me. Thank you all. Wish you have a happy. Thank you all. Wish everyone have a happy new year. Bye bye.